Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sachin and I'm vlogging. This is a continuation of previous vlog.
My voice is
Let's enjoy.
very good. Get that change.
We went to a place nearby our hotel to have our dinner. We went there and we had this dinner which was tasty.
Okay, wrong music up to the
Left me feeling empty and I cannot see. You gotta make sure, even if you do me wrong for some reason. We go for a walk after we had a dinner. We are exploring the place. And tomorrow morning we have plans to go. We are planning to hire some vehicles on which we're going to go. And yeah, that's the plan for today. Not today, that's the plan for tomorrow. And they are disturbing me. Ah, so peaceful. Good morning guys, it is 6:04 in the morning. I woke up and we are going to the sea beach to see the sunrise. What's up? And my voice is not so good. Oof. Surprise, we thought it would come like this, but it is there, the sun. It was gloomy in the morning, so we couldn't come here. And we are going for a walk and we'll search for seashells. Yesterday I met Brett, so my hair is like this. And yeah, there's other people with whom I'm going for the work. And the rest of them are not awake till now. And we're going searching for more of it. This is the one with a lot of vector. A lot of like this. came by the shore and we met this.
These are like those.
Guys, it is 8:40. I changed my dress, I took a shower, and they're getting ready. We will head out. After we have breakfast, we'll go out to Rome, and that's the plan. Because of this salty water, my hair began to fall. We are having pizza. Pizza prata. No, and we're waiting for two friends.
Let's go!
We're heading to bus station. There we'll get the ticket for us. We're returning to Baroda. And after that we'll roam and we'll see where other places we can go. Budget. We came on a local train, not train, local bus. It costs us around 200 for each person, but now we don't have that. We need to book a bus by our own, and it's costing us around 600 per person. And the timing is at 6 p.m. We need to go, we need to roam, and this is the hectic chaos going on. That is the jail. I don't know. That's the jail. Whatever. That's the jail. And we are going at that Diu Fort. Oh, it is. Forget that. Around 11.
How?
Mr. Banaso, how is your journey?
The journey is
To enjoy. To enjoy. What about you?
good for me.
It's so hot. Huh. After this, I gonna thin. I know for sure. I did apply sunscreen, but this won't help. In my next upcoming vlog, you will know how hectic it was for us because we need to return the same day, and on the same day we went to different places, and this will be the first place we went. And after this, we went to some places that will be in my next vlog. So for today, I will end the vlog here. And if you guys did enjoy, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And bye.